Big thanks to Mudgee Meat for supplying the product used in today's video.
Happy Sunday.
Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Not only happy Sunday, excuse me 1 second.
We'll just wait.
Not only happy Sunday, but Meat Sunday. Meat Sunday from Mudgee Meat. Special announcement. As you all know, we've had a lovely partnership with our friends at Mudgee Meat for the last few months. And now, the last 8 videos have now become a pack. The Geoff the Chef pack. Well, obviously makes sense to call it that, doesn't it, Yazzo? Geoff the Chef pack, the last 8 recipes, all in this box, all yours, 10 kilos of meat delivered anywhere, almost anywhere in Australia. $11 off that if you use our code, which is on the screen right now. 5% off your first order, free delivery if you sign up for Meat on Repeat. So let's see what you get in the box, Yazzo, shall we? All right, Yazzo, let's see what we've got here in our little treasure box. We've got some lovely looking beef cheeks. We've got some rump steak, magnificent. We've got bone-in pork cutlets. We've got a lamb shoulder, delicious slow cooked lamb shoulder. We have lamb cutlets, beautifully marbled. We've got some pork mince, ground pork. What else we got? We got more bone-in pork cutlets. Oh my goodness. We got beef and jalapeno sausages. These are absolutely delicious. And we've got pork sausages, the staple, absolutely beautiful. Look at all this mountain of meat, Yazzo. My goodness. So much stuff, more than 10 kilos of meat. Beautiful. So that's it, guys. Absolutely amazing. Get on board and support an Australian-owned company, and every purchase you make helps to support us a little bit as well. Your discount code, once again, is on the screen. $11 off. 5% off your first order, free delivery with Meat on Repeat. Your link is in the description down below. Get the Geoff the Chef pack now. Geoff the Chef pack now. And we'll see you on the next one.